Russia cracks down on Bitcoin mining. The 256 report starts now. In today's top stories, Michael Saylor pushes for a national treasury of Bitcoin, Russia outlaws Bitcoin mining, and Trump's new policymakers will shape the future of Bitcoin mining. Let's get into it. Michael Saylor has proposed a national asset for the US Treasury that could generate $81 trillion. Bitcoin's recent bull run and global adoption has led Bitcoin to a new all-time high of 108,000 on December 17th. This surge was fueled by Donald Trump's US presidential election and his pro-Bitcoin stance. Trump has plans for a national Bitcoin reserve and even met with Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek to discuss this. Countries worldwide are following suit. EU Parliament members Sarah Canafo urged the EU to create the Bitcoin reserve. And there are similar proposals in other countries. MicroStrategy, led by CEO Michael Saylor, holds a massive 439,000 Bitcoins, valued at roughly $43 billion. This strategy has propelled the company's market cap to $88 billion and landed them a spot on the NASDAQ 100. Saylor's bold Bitcoin investment has been incredibly successful, with MicroStrategy stocks surging over 500% this year. These developments highlight Bitcoin's growing mainstream acceptance. As more countries and companies adopt Bitcoin, its price could continue to rise. Is Bitcoin the future of finance? Only time will tell. In other news, Russia has decided to crack down on crypto mining, and it's announced a ban on crypto mining in 10 regions starting January 1st. This ban is going to last for 6 years and end March 15th in 2031. All of these regions will be affected. There will also be seasonal restrictions in Siberia, but that's not all. 3 Siberian regions will face seasonal restrictions during peak energy consumption. These seasonal restrictions will run from early in the year to the end of the year, and then balancing energy consumption and crypto mining. These are in line with the cryptocurrency mining laws signed by President Putin in 2024, aiming to manage energy consumption. Well, the government initially proposed a broader ban that would cover 13 regions, but the final version was a revised proposal. While these restrictions are in place, it's important to remember that Russia has legalized cryptocurrency mining and introduced a legal framework to regulate the sector. The law defines rights and obligations of those involved with crypto mining. So, what does this mean for the future of crypto mining in Russia? It's clear that the government is taking steps to balance energy consumption with the growing crypto mining industry. While there are restrictions in certain regions, the overall legal framework shows that Russia recognizes the potential of cryptocurrency mining. In US news, the crypto industry pushes Trump for fast action. The crypto industry is wasting no time. They're already pushing President elect Donald Trump to kickstart his promised crypto policy overhaul. Will we see executive orders on day one? The industry wants Trump to use executive orders to push cryptocurrencies into the mainstream, and they're hoping for at least one of the orders on day one in the office. So January 20th could be a big day for the crypto industry. So what's on the crypto wish list? The industry is pushing for a few key things: creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve, ensuring crypto companies can access banking services, and establishing a crypto council to advise the government. The industry wants these executive orders in place in Trump's first 100 days and believe that at least one could come on day one. So, why the urgency? The crypto industry has felt stifled by regulations under President Biden. They're hoping that Trump will quickly reverse course and create a more favorable environment for cryptocurrencies. Trump's crypto team takes shape, and it looks like Trump is ready to deliver. He's already appointed crypto friendly figures like Paul Atkins to the SEC and David Sachs as a White House crypto advisor. All this positive news has set Bitcoin's price soaring to a new record above 107,000, but it's fallen back below 100,000. So, what's next under Trump? Will Trump deliver on his promises to the crypto industry? And how will these policies impact the future of crypto? Only time is going to tell. But one thing is for sure, the crypto industry is watching closely. Thank you for joining us on the 256 Report. We come to you every day about the future of Bitcoin mining. See you tomorrow.